again, good day creators. So today I got my curious paws into yet some more designs for the paper clay. I'm going to try to do the inside of these bowls and these little teacups here, and I'm going to do the outside of this guy. Since I love the little squares so much that I did before, I thought why not try to do it in a little bigger section. And I want to see if I can have to get some of these ridges as well to kind of pop up in the inside of the bowls. And then later on, who knows, maybe I'll try to actually do the inside of the bowls. So these are the items we're going to be working with today, and like before, it's going to be in fast forward. I hope you guys like the music. If not, tell me what you want to hear and we can make it happen. I hope you guys are enjoying these, and let's get to crafting, and I'll see you guys in the next step. Hi guys, welcome back. So we are at the end. We have 3 bowls done. I wanted to show you how these looked. The sides are pretty even. It went in nicely. As you can see, it has really no cracks, no wrinkles or anything like that, because you just pretty smooth it out with your fingers, just kind of going along with a little bit of water. Tap the edges. You can clean this up or have it as natural as you like. And then this one here is the little teacup, the teacup one. See if you guys can see the inside. As you can see, it's turned out really nice. I can't wait to see how these look out. This one, please be careful with if you guys do anything heavy like this one. I'm actually putting my hands into the bottom. And there's this one. It does have a lot of cracks. I will just be smoothing those out with my fingers. This is still super wet, so it will slide right off of this. So be careful when you're doing this. And right now I'm just patting down the edges, kind of cleaning those up. Do remember, anything you see will dry that way. So any cracks like these here that you see, they will stay like that. I do have a video out showing how to fix cracks and breaks like. So if you do have something like that, don't worry, we can always fix it. Now what you're going to do is let this sit for at least 2 days before removing anything. And then what you're going to do, I'll bring you back in the 2 days once this is halfway dry. Once this is halfway dry, what you're going to want to do is pull up on the saran wrap very gently and push it away from the mold. And I'll show you guys how to do that once that part is up. Sorry, I'm breaking my thing. I'm trying to fix it. So yeah, so be careful when you're setting stuff down. Make sure you pat everything that you've touched. These are going to be super easy. These should actually just pop right out because it's going to shrink. And with the ones with you do the insides, you don't have to worry about taking it out within 2 days. You can actually let it completely dry like this. But the only thing is the back side or the inside of the bowl will still be wet. So you want an extra day to 2 days for it to dry. Because when you pop this out, it's just going to come right out and you're still going to have a wet bottom. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you learned something. And remember, find one thing that makes you guys smile. And I will see you guys back in the next clip where we take these out of the bowls. And I'll see you guys then. And welcome back, guys, to this part here. So these are halfway dry. As you can see, the cuts are a lot more wet than these guys here. But as you can see, you just go ahead and pop this off and it comes right out. Now you do want to give this at least another day to 2 to dry for the big guys. And all I did was pull this up and then use my fingers along the edges. Alright, so with these guys here, what you're going to do, these are still super wet because they haven't had the air to dry them like these have. So what you're going to do, these actually just pop out as simple as that, guys. Oops, I don't even know if you've seen that, but it came out that simple. So you want to dry these upside down. And if you notice that it kind of needs to be a little shapened a little bit more, right now is the perfect time to do it. So this is our plastic bowl. Once again, you can just lift these off the things and it pops right out. Just like that, guys. And there we go. And to let these dry, like I said, at least 2 more days before you guys decide to gesso, to seal, to do anything like that, just to make sure that the whole clay is completely dry. And I hope you guys have a great one. Remember, find one thing that makes you smile. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy crafting!